In today's world, where financial choices shape our futures more than ever before, it can feel like a small misstep leads to a lifetime of struggle. In this script, we will explore 5 daily habits that, despite seeming harmless or even comforting, slowly erode your financial well-being and keep you trapped in a cycle of scarcity. You will discover how subtle behaviors, ranging from overspending on small luxuries to avoiding any form of budgeting or investing, compound over time and cement poverty as a self-fulfilling prophecy. Through real-world research and expert insights, you will learn not only what to avoid, but why these patterns are so insidious, and how breaking free requires conscious, consistent change. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly which daily actions undermine wealth creation and gain the motivation to replace them with practices that pave the way for genuine financial freedom. Every time you swipe a card for a coffee, you do not truly enjoy or upgrade your lifestyle to match a temporary rise in income. You are feeding what experts call the lifestyle creep, a pattern where spending increases alongside earnings, leaving saving goals perpetually out of reach. Overspending is often rooted in emotional or psychological triggers, from using purchases to soothe stress to succumbing to social pressures, and it repeatedly drains resources that could otherwise build an emergency fund or investment portfolio. Even seemingly small daily indulgences, think ordering lunch out, buying new gadgets, or maintaining every streaming subscription, compound into thousands of dollars lost each year, which could have been earning interest or dividends instead. Breaking this habit means cultivating mindfulness around spending, setting clear boundaries for discretionary expenses, and embracing the power of delayed gratification to reorient your mindset toward long-term gain rather than instant pleasure. One of the most fundamental yet overlooked practices is budgeting. Surprisingly, fewer than 1 in 4 people maintain a written budget, a statistic that leaves the majority vulnerable to overspending and financial surprises. Without tracking income and expenses, it is impossible to know where money is leaking and which financial goals require more attention. Consistently failing to create or adhere to a spending plan leads to reactive money management, paying bills late, missing opportunities to save, and feeling constant anxiety about meeting basic obligations. By contrast, individuals who implement a clear budget on a daily or weekly basis report greater confidence and markedly improved savings rates, often able to redirect small amounts each pay cycle into investments that grow over time. Cultivating the discipline to draft, review, and adjust a budget every day transforms finances from a stressful guessing game into a structured roadmap toward wealth. A fixed, negative mindset and the comfort of familiarity act like invisible shackles, convincing you that greater financial success is beyond your reach and that staying safe is preferable to taking calculated risks. Remaining in your comfort zone prevents you from seeking new income streams, acquiring valuable skills, or pursuing entrepreneurial ventures, actions that often separate those who build wealth from those who merely survive. When you believe that effort cannot improve your circumstances, you discount opportunities for advancement or education, reinforcing a narrative that poverty is your destiny. Over time, lack of self-efficacy leads to resignation and passivity around financial matters, perpetuating a mindset where avoiding mistakes feels more important than chasing progress. Shifting to a growth mindset, actively seeking challenges, embracing failure as feedback, and celebrating small wins lays the psychological foundation necessary to adopt the proactive habits of financially successful people. Carrying high-interest debt without a plan to eliminate it is akin to setting your money on fire. Credit cards, payday loans, and vehicle financing often come with interest rates exceeding 20%, meaning that even a modest balance can balloon rapidly if left unchecked. Failing to prioritize debt repayment drains cash flow, reduces credit scores, and obstructs access to lower-cost borrowing or investment capital in the future. Many people make only the minimum payment each month, extending debt obligations for years and paying multiples of the original purchase price in interest alone. This practice not only stalls financial progress, but also compounds stress, as mounting balances and late fees create a vicious cycle of scarcity mentality. Adopting a structured approach, such as the snowball or avalanche methods, to systematically eliminate high-cost debts while avoiding new high-interest obligations, restores financial breathing room and enables redirecting funds toward wealth-building activities. Perhaps the most destructive habit of all is ignoring the power of investing and continuous financial education. Over 90% of millionaires attribute their wealth to long-term investing and disciplined portfolio growth, yet many remain paralyzed by fear of loss or lack of knowledge. Procrastinating on investing means missing decades of compound interest, a passive engine that transforms modest contributions into substantial nest eggs. Meanwhile, avoiding books, podcasts, or courses on personal finance and wealth management leaves you susceptible to misinformation and poor decisions. Without a habit of regularly dedicating even a small portion of income to retirement accounts, stock index funds, or other vehicles, you forfeit the most reliable avenue out of poverty. Cultivating a daily practice of learning about markets, tax-advantaged accounts, and risk management empowers you to make informed choices and demystifies what otherwise seems daunting. Now that you understand the 5 daily habits that perpetuate poverty, overspending, failing to budget, clinging to a fixed mindset, mismanaging debt, and neglecting investment and education, remember that transforming your financial life begins with a single decision today. If you found this video helpful, please click subscribe for more actionable insights on building wealth, hit the like button to support our community, and leave a comment sharing which habit you will tackle first. Your journey toward financial freedom starts now. Take that step and join us for the next video where we explore 5 daily habits that secure your path to prosperity.